Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to get this Cleopatra inspired Halloween makeup look. So if you'd like to see how to make this look, then please keep on watching. So first we're starting off with the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer as usual, and I'm just applying this all over my face. I'm then going in with the Makeup Forever HD foundation in the shade Y405, and I'm just adding this onto a beauty blender and then applying it all over my face. Next I'm going in with my Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Eraser Concealer, and I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes just to brighten it up a bit. And then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Granite, and I'm just going to do my brows. After completing my brows, I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender and buff out that concealer. Then I'm going to go in with the Fitme Matte and Poreless face powder, and I'm just going to apply this where I applied my concealer, and I'll also be applying it all over my face just so that I have a matte base to work with to apply other powders to. Now that we have our base, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. So first I'm going to take White Peach from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid and basically my entire eyelid, mainly because I want to use this as somewhat of a primer to sit more vibrant shadows on top. I'm then taking the Too Faced White Peach palette, and I'm taking the shade Peach Cream, and I'm just applying this on top of that other eyeshadow. I'm then going into my Makeup Forever Professional Paris palette, and I'm going in with the shade D236, and I'm just applying this on my lid. From the same palette, I'm then taking I218, and I'm just applying this on my outer edge and into my crease almost. And I'm just going to continuously blend this in just so that the eyeshadow look has a little more dimension with the different shades of blue. That way it doesn't look very flat. And then I'm going back into the palette again, and I'm taking M100, which is the black shade of the palette, and I'm going to apply this into my crease. Now you're going to want to apply this very gently so that you don't have too much black in the crease. To highlight, I'm then going back into the White Peach palette in the shade Peaches and Dreams, and I'm just applying this into my inner corner and as well as on my brow bone, just so that it would give a nice golden highlight. We really want a lot of gold and glowiness for this look. And now we'll move on to eyeliner. I'm taking my Kat Von D ink liner in the shade Trooper, and I'm just doing my eyeliner, just a wing liner. I wanted a very simple eyeliner for this look, mainly because the eyes have so much going on. But you can do a very long wing, just like how you see in those Cleopatra makeup tutorials. But I really wanted a simple wing for this one. I'm then going to pull down the eyeliner to make a cat eye effect. I'm then taking the Marc Jacobs eye pencil, and I'm also lining my waterline, and then taking the same Kat Von D liner and darkening that up. Now the harder part of this tutorial was making this design that I made underneath my eye. It's something I see in a lot of hieroglyphics and Egyptian sort of things. So I just tried to make this, and take your time with this. Use concealer to cover up any mistakes. Then I'm taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm just bronzing up my face and doing some light contour. We want this look to be really bronzy and golden. That's the idea around Cleopatra in my opinion. Then I'm taking this Tarte blush in the shade Birthday Suit, and I'm just applying this on my cheeks just to give it a flush of color. I'm then moving on to highlighter with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I'm taking the shade Summer, and I'm just applying this to the focal points of my face because we really wanted a nice glowy golden effect to the face with this look. I'm then taking my Kat Von D liner in the shade Bow and Arrow, and I'm just applying this to my lips just so that we have a flush of color underneath my lips, and then I'm going to put a gloss on top. And the gloss that I'm using is my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Gilded, and I'm just applying this over top the lip liner, and as you can see, this is very pigmented. To set my face, I'm taking the Too Faced Hangover RX setting spray and I'm just spritzing this over my face. I'm then taking the Benefit Roller Lash as my final touch and add this onto my lashes. You can also add false lashes onto this. I think false lashes would actually look really good with this look. So this is the final eye look and I'll just straighten my hair and I'll be right back. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. Comment down below if you tried this or any of our other looks. Also be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos every week. I hope you guys have a fantastic week and thanks for watching.